Konnichiwa, Vinna, and hello everyone. Today I, Kripansha Katria, along with my friends Prashi, Ashmi, Dinisha, Arpita, and Kanishka, will be giving a presentation on a land of Asian tradition and modern marvels, Japan. The Meiji Restoration, a pivotal movement in 19th century, ushered is an era of industrialization and transformation that propelled Japan onto the world stage. Here are some other interesting facts about Japan.
Iceland. Japan is an archipelago island made up of over 6,800 islands, with the four largest being Hokkaido, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. Mountain Fuji. Japan's most famous volcano, Mountain Fuji, is still active and over 1,000 years.
Public transportation. Japan's public transportation is known for its efficiency, punctuality. Lagune Open Air Museum. This museum houses a large collection of sculptures from renowned artists including Picasso, Henry Moore, and Picasso.
Then let's talk about its nuclear energy corner. The Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011 has raised corner about safety of nuclear power and its role in Japan energy mix.
Arigato and have a nice day. A very good afternoon to you. I am Anisha Rathore and here is my team Anisha, Kumudi, Riddhi and Arvi. Today we are representing Russia and World Select Debate Competition. As we are representing our country, many questions in your mind. So here are some questions along with their answer to help you to understand Russia in better way. Fast fact about Russia. Official name of Russia is Russian Federation. The money of Russia is ruble. From a government federation area 65,92,772 square miles.
What's make Russia special? Russia contains Europe's longest river, the Volga, and its largest lake, Ladoga.
What's good about Russia? Maritime technical advantage. Russia is the largest country in the world. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, imitant and opponents, and a few debaters. Clearly state to a China make a personal. My name is Sanika Jain and my team members are Arvi, Hitanshi, Laliteshwari and Alisha. I am honored to debate competition. Highlight China rapid economic growth which has led to environmental challenges such as on koila for energy.
China is an East Asian country with a large territory.
Located in Eastern Asia on the western shore of the Pacific Ocean, population in 2024 estimated to be around 141 crore 93,21,278. Important facts of China. The Great Wall of China, the longest man-made structure in the world, became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Very pleasant and warm good afternoon to all of you. We all are here with interesting competition which is best on Senate and debate competition.
And our competitions begins with a team, and there are my team members. So she is Unnati Sharma, the captain, and I am Bhavika Kasira, the vice captain, and she is Vanshika and Anjali, and we are from a team.
Israel is not a perfect place, but it is a place where imperfect people can live perfect lives. So we are the citizens of our Israel country, and the freedom is the oxygen of the soul. Everyone have their self-respect of their country with their flag. So now we also want to like to show our self-respect, our country's self-respect, bravery and speech, which is our flag. So for that, I would like to call our judges, our respected judges, Mr. Abhishek sir, which is our principal, and Mr. Rahul sir, who is our director, and Bhavik sir, respected Bhavik sir, and respected Naren sir. Please sir. So country Israel is having a 5 religions. First is Haredi, which is 8%, second Tati 10%, third Muslims 14%, fourth Masudi 23%, and the fifth one, which is last but having a larger number of population, which is Hiloni 40%.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, let me start. That I am Rakit Jain, the captain of this team with my friends. Uttaram Yatta Samudrasya. वर्षम तत् भारतम नाम भारतीय यत् संतति। मतलब जिसके उत्तर में हिमालय और दक्षिण में समुद्र है, वह पूर्ण भूमि भारत है और वहाँ रहने वाले लोग भारतीय हैं।
India gave the number 0 to the world. India gave the game chess to the world. India gave the art of navigation to the world. Culture, language, yoga, medicine, etc. In all these streams.
Extreme weather. India is experiencing more frequent and intense heat waves as well as droughts and flooding and storms.
Agriculture. High climate change is a major threat to agriculture in India. Last 8 out of 15 years affected by the drought.
India's water resources are already under pressure and climate change is expected to make them even more scarce.
Economic impact. The Reserve Bank of India projects that climate change could cost India 4.5% of GDP by 2030.
Inequality, well, disparity between rich and poor, with top 10% holding 77% of national income.
So yes, our journey ends here, and I want to thank all of you that you were sitting here silently listening to us attentively. So thank you. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Respected all our judges, all staff, and my all dear friends. My name is Sanjita Jain of Class 8 from Knowledge Valley School. This is my team partner Nidan, Jainam, Agam, Ojas, Prabhu, Liju, and me. Today we are going to be presenting about the country Ukraine of Europe. Ukraine is a country in Eastern Europe. It is the second largest European country after Russia, which borders it to the east and slightly smaller than the state of Europe. Bordered on the south by the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov. Ukraine shares borders with the Eastern European countries Moldova, Poland, Russia, etc.
The main religion in Ukraine is Eastern Orthodox faith. Festival. There are 11 family holidays, 3 government holidays, Constitution Day, Independence Day, and Defenders Day.
3 religious holidays: Christmas Day, Orthodox Easter and Orthodox Pentecost.
5-year holidays, New Year Day, International Women's Day, 2 days of International Workers, and Victory Day.
यहाँ से आप लोगों का जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो डे बाय डे इम्प्रूव ही होगा, पर आपका लोगों का जो ग्राफ है वो ऊपर की तरफ ही जाएगा। हर चीज़ के पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव्स रहते हैं, तो मेन चीज़ ये है कि यू शो इनफ करेज टू प्रेजेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड जजेस